watching. I'm just making a quick video here, probably a 1-minute video showing you guys how to fill up your windshield washer fluid on a Honda Odyssey. This is pretty much basic for any Honda you got or any car. It's you're looking for this little symbol here that looks like a windshield, the 2 water things splashing, squirting on the windshield. Pop it open. If you guys want to use a funnel, you can. If you don't, you don't. I don't think it's a big deal if you spill it. It's not going to do any harm. Fill that sucker up. And the reason I'm making this video, because some people think it's so simple that it's unnecessary to have a video because it's common sense. But a lot of people who don't know about cars, so I'm making the video for you guys. Just fill that all the way up. It can't harm you if you fill it too much. I actually ran out. It took everything I had. So that's how you fill up your windshield washer fluid for probably any car, and for a Honda Odyssey definitely. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Have a good day.